Atticus was at the cinema with his family and friends, enjoying a spectacular movie by some of his favorite actors. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a fire broke out and the fire alarm rang. At first, people were confused, but very quickly they caught on. In chaotic unison, everyone suddenly started to panic. And like a herd of buffalo that had just spotted a lion, everyone darted towards the door. Atticus was in the lead. He reached the door first and quickly tried to push it open. But it didn't budge. It was a pull door. Realizing his mistake, he quickly tried to pull it open. But it was too late. Everyone was already at the door trying desperately to push through. He couldn't pull the door back, because everyone was pushing him against it and cramming him at the entrance. At the same time, people started yelling at him. "Open the door. Just push it, you idiot. Please, I have a baby." But he couldn't. He couldn't even move. His body was being crushed against the door by the panicking crowd. Combined with the smoke, and he couldn't breathe. He was suffocating. This was someone's reality in the Iroquois Theatre Fire of 1903. The deadliest theater fire and deadliest single-building fire in United States history. Resulting in over 602 deaths. Luckily, by chance a passing railroad agent saw the crowd pressing against the door and unfastened the hinges from the outside using tools that he normally carried with him, allowing the actors and stagehands to escape. Because of this incident, most public doors now open outwards or are bidirectional. And this is why a fire exit in particular will most likely open outwards. So, did you ever notice that most public doors open outwards?